Hi writer friends, happy new moon. I'm here at Black Futures Farm today where our tarot artist, Alan St. Clark, is doing an art installation on Juneteenth, Return to the Rainbow Forest. I'll put the link below if you're in Portland. It's doomteenth.com. All right, let's pull a card for a quality that will support us in our writing this month. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Meg Hyertz. I'm the author of Tarot for Beginners and the founder of Creative Momentum, where we help writers free their voice, nourish their practice, and finish their project. All right, I know that all of you have books in you that want to come out. So let's pull a card for a quality that will help those stories just spring out of us onto the page. Okay, we have got the Hermit. Not necessarily a summer card. We usually think of being out and about in the summer, but the Hermit is really about finding our people. It can be about being alone, but it's more about quieting the noise, the social interactions that are just distracting and not nourishing, as opposed to the social interactions with folks who share our same deep questions and are seeking alongside us. This month, you absolutely have permission to take time for yourself. Take time to be with your inner voice, to be with your writing community, and make space to listen to what comes through. The power of stillness right now, the power of the present moment, is what your inner voice needs right now. There's something really stable and supportive about just a pure, simple stillness and presence. And by pure, I don't mean purity, but just not distracted. So perhaps choose one distraction this month to just set aside, and don't fill that distraction with another distraction. And choose what you'd like to do in the name of stillness, in the name of listening to your inner voice, in place of that distraction. And you might also consider what stillness means to your characters. Write a scene of where they go or what they do to be able to hear their inner voice. All right, I wish you all really fruitful, settling, listening this month. Let me know how it goes, and happy creating.